Do you ever find yourself losing track of time while scrolling through your iPhone? It's easy to get caught up in social media, games, and other apps. But did you know that Apple has a tool called Screen Time that can help you monitor and control your iPhone usage? In this video, we're going to show you how to use Screen Time to take control of your iPhone usage and live a more productive life. Before we move on, we would appreciate it if you leave a like and share this video so that it will also reach others who might be needing the same information. Now let's get back to our topic. First, open the iPhone settings by tapping on the gear icon from the home screen or app library. In the settings menu, find and then tap Screen Time to access the Screen Time settings. If you haven't already, you'll see the button to turn on Screen Time. Simply tap on that button and then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to finish setting up Screen Time on your iPhone. Once enabled, you will see your daily and weekly iPhone usage, as well as which apps we spend the most time on. You can even set app limits to restrict our usage or schedule downtime when we don't want to be disturbed by notifications. To prevent any unauthorized changes to your current Screen Time settings, you can use a Screen Time passcode to secure your settings. So that's how to keep track of your iPhone usage with the iOS Screen Time feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.